used to make lightning conductors is A. Iron, B. Aluminium, C. Copper, D. Zinc. The correct answer is option C. Copper. Next question. Good conductor of electricity is A. Dry air, B. Paper, C. Kerosene, D. Graphite. The correct answer is option D. Graphite. Next question. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to A. 3.6 megajoule, B. 3.8 megajoule, C. 3.2 megajoule, D. 4.0 megajoule. The correct answer is option A. 3.6 megajoule. Next question. Materials that usually are good conductors of electricity? A. Aluminium, B. Lead, C. Nickel, D. Wood. The correct answer is option A. Aluminium. Next question. The metal whose electrical conductivity is more is A. Copper, B. Aluminium, C. Silver, D. Lead. The correct answer is option C. Silver. Next question. Pure water is bad conductor of electricity because it is A. Feebly ionized, B. Not volatile, C. A very good solvent, D. A nonpolar solvent. The correct answer is option A. Feebly ionized. Next question. Which of the following is a conductor of electricity? A. Rubber, B. Pure water, C. Salt water, D. Benzene. The correct answer is option C. Salt water. Next question. A bird sitting on a high-tension electric wire does not get electrocuted because A. It has high resistance, B. The body is earthed, C. It does not form a closed path for the flow of current, D. Its feet are good insulators. The correct answer is option C. It does not form a closed path for the flow of current. Next question. The fuse in our domestic electric circuit melts when there's a high rise in A. Inductance, B. Current, C. Resistance, D. Capacitance. The correct answer is option B. Current. Next question. Light from the sun reaches us in nearly A. 2 minutes, B. 4 minutes, C. 8 minutes, D. 16 minutes. The correct answer is option C, 8 minutes. Hello friends, on this channel, we provide you best solution of physics MCQs, so you like, subscribe and comment. Take care.